Guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be showing you how to make your closure look like a frontal. This hair is so pretty. Yes, it's a closure, guys. So this hair is by Wigs Arena, hair by Tenny, and this is their 10-inch Brazilian bob closure wig. £130, and you can get 10% off by using my discount code CarisGlam10. They do worldwide shipping. Anywhere in the world you can get this. First off, I'm going to start with the unboxing. It came in this super cute wrap. Like I said, it's the 10-inch Brazilian bob closure wig. Wrap is just, I love this bag. It's so super cute. And in front of it, you can see Wigs Arena, hair by Tenny, and the contact details just in the front. Just by taking the hair out, it's got a very nice scent. It doesn't smell like horrible, or it doesn't have any chemical scent to it. It just smells like something that has been freshly washed. Really nice. And the hair looks super silky as well. So this is what the back of the wig look like. It looks like a well constructed wig. It looks really nice. And for people that don't want to do any much work to it, it's got like a middle part there, and it looks like something you can just pop on and put a bit of concealer at the back and you're good to go. But I'm gonna go a step further. I'm gonna customize this wig. I'm just putting on the wig so you can see the before and after. So I'm going to try and bleach the knot now. The hair looks super silky. To bleach the hair, you're going to need a bowl, powder bleach, a 30 volume developer, and then I'm going to scoop in 2 powder bleach in there. Every product used will be in the description bar below. I've got a detailed tutorial on how to bleach the knot. I'll put a link down below. So I tend to put the developer in there and eyeball it, so I don't have a measurement. I just eyeball it. What you want to get is a thick consistency, so you don't want it runny. You just want it a thick consistency so it doesn't drop, just like so. So you can like put it like butter on the lace. I'm just spreading it in, just like you apply butter to bread. And then I'm just going to put a film on it. I'm going to leave this for like 15 minutes. I'm going to be washing this off with the Shimmer Light shampoo that I've just showed. And this is it washed. So when I washed it, I left the shampoo on for like 20 minutes just to let all the brassiness leave. Now I'm going to proceed to pluck my lace. So I'm going to be using these tweezers, spray the hair with water, and I'm going to start plucking. I've got another detailed tutorial on how to pluck your lace. I'll put it in the link in the description as well. But just to let you guys know how to pluck, you need to move the baby hair out of the way like I've done, and then you start plucking backwards, and once you feel like you've plucked enough, you pat it and you just keep going back and back. You will see what I'm doing. A tip to pluck the lace is not to pluck the lace on the same spot or space, because if you pluck the lace on the same spot over and over, it's just going to create a bald spot. You don't want a bald spot. Just watch what I do, guys. So just to recap, you pat the hair and you start plucking backwards until you feel like you've plucked enough, and then you're gonna just pat it again, sprit water on it, start plucking, comb in. You comb so you see what you've done so far as well, and you just keep going back till you feel it's scalp-like. Pluck the lace, guys, but not on the same spot. Just pluck and move, pluck and move. As you can see, one side is done and the other side has not been customized. So what I tend to do is just put the baby hair out and just have a look just to see how it looks. The aim is to get the front to be as natural as possible. So I'm just going to spritz some water in, comb it to the back, put out the baby hair just to see how they both look. I've done this side and I've not done the other side, so that's, see the difference. I felt that I've not plucked the side enough, so I'm plucking it more. So I'm just patting the middle there. I'm just going to pluck some more till I feel that it's plucked enough. So this is looking okay, kind of better to me now. So this is the side plucked, and if you look at the other side, not plucked. See the hairline very thick in the other side, so I'm just going to comb it back so we can see the fill. I'm just going to pluck some more of the front just to make sure the gradient is as natural as possible. So that's the difference between the plucked side and the other side. See the other side, the hairline is really thick. On this side is just a bit lighter. So that's the key difference between the two. So the aim is to get it as natural as possible. This is the amount of hair I've plucked so far from that side that has been plucked. So I'm gonna just do the same for the other side as well. So I've plucked both sides now. I'm just going to the part in the middle. I'm just making the part more deep. I'm just plucking out the middle there just to get the middle parts a bit deeper to the back. You need to be careful, guys, because you can just put a hole in the wig. I did a tiny hole in mine as well. So you just have to be patient when doing this, because it can just go wrong when you're trying to create a part in the middle. I'm still plucking, just to finishing touches on the plucking, just to make sure it's how I like it, a bit more natural. Right now I'm gonna straighten the hair. I'm gonna be using Freida oil Elixir and just pack a bit on the hair, and then I'm gonna use the serum as well. Just add in the hair, then I'm gonna proceed to straighten the hair. This hair is so silky, guys. I'm also going to use my hot comb to get the front properly laid and just sleek. I've got my wig cap on. I'm going to put the elastic band at the back. I'm going to use a bit of makeup powder just on the lace to make it match my skin tone so it can blend like scalp. And then I'm going to proceed to wear the wig. Look at the seamless finish there. It's just so nice. So I'm going to push my cap forward a bit. Gonna put my hair out of the way, and then I'm gonna proceed to cut my lace in the front. I'm gonna cut it in like a zigzag, not in a straight line, guys. Zigzag, so it looks more natural. I'm not gonna lay this with any got to be because I want it to be very easy for beginners. So I'm gonna take out the baby hairs. Just gonna take some small baby hair out. And I'm going to use my Lotta Body foaming lotion. I'm going to use that just to lay the baby hairs in place. I'm going to use my hot comb to lay it more. I'm going to use got to be just on top of Lotta Body just to seal it in place. I'm going to use my wax stick as well and the hot comb again. And then I'm going to tie in my hair, take it out after 5 minutes. Use a bit of powder again just to make it very seamless. So So this is the finished look, guys. It's just bomb. It's just beautiful. It's true to length. It's just all through my customization. The hair did not shed. It's combing through now and nothing is coming off the comb. It's just high quality, like period. I'll the link down below, and to get 10% off, use Carrie's Glam 10. I just want to say thank you to Wigs Arena Hair by 10A for sponsoring this video. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you in my next one, guys. Bye.